welcome to Jayne's kitchen. Today we will be making Lego cake. Things you will need: cake mix, icing, 3 eggs, 1 cup water, half cup vegetable oil, food dye, marshmallows. Okay, first mix the cake. One, two, three. All done. Now we pour into square thingy. Make sure it's good. Taste test. Good. Place in oven until you think it's done. Time to make the icing while the cake bakes. For today Lego, I picked colors yellow and red. We are now making the top of our Lego pieces. Lego pieces done. Now we attempt to level the cake. Okay, now for the difficult part. Whew. And there you have it. Red and yellow Lego cake.